Hey, it's Kevin with K&D Auto Spa here. What we're doing here, we're going to add PPF to this Expedition mirror. We are using a kit. It is a two-piece kit with this. As you can see, we're doing the top piece first, and then we're going to do the bottom piece afterwards. I'm actually up on a stool here just because it's so high, and the truck's on a lift right now. But what we're going to do is we're going to tack this one side down this corner. We'll get that tacked down. This will allow us to give us a tack point to stretch out towards the outside. We'll get that down. And we're going to bring it. You'll see is when we stretch it, you'll see those fingers right there just go away. We're going to stretch it down just a little bit, tack it down there. Pull that water out. We have to line it up with the mirror edge right there. Get some tack in there. This will help keep it down. You bring this bottom part back towards the car a little bit because it's kind of on an angle. So we want to bring it back and line that edge up real good. Throw some tack in there. We pre-stretched it. Now we'll throw some tack in there. We'll pull it back. You'll see those fingers. They just go right away. We'll get that water out. Make sure it's lined up just right. Get all that water out. Now what we'll do is we'll come around to the front. We'll lift this up a little bit, and we're going to stretch down near the car first and pull that down. We'll tack that edge right there. Then we'll pull all that water down. You'll see some fingers here in the bottom, but we'll get those out in a second. They come out pretty good. Get a little bit of tack. We'll get it in those fingers. They go right down. Make sure you get all the water out. There's no bubbles left. Squeegee that off real good. We got this top piece done now. Now we're going to do the bottom piece. We'll get some slip on there. This is a cutout again. And these two edges line right up with each other. It's got the cutout right around that marker light, and it goes right on the black piece of the mirror to give that protection. A little more slip. Put that right on. Line that right up with that line. I like to start over here because I don't want to stretch over past that mark or that line on that mirror. I want it to go right there. We have more room on the other side if we need to do a little bit of stretch. Get some tack in there. Tack that right down. Make sure it's lined up just perfect. There we go. Tack it down. Now we're good there. Now we'll come around the side or the front of the mirror, I guess. Line it up right there because that's where it curves down. And then we're going to make sure that those two seams go right together so you can't see them. Got those two seams right there. Squeegee that out. It has to go up a little bit. We'll get some tack over here so it doesn't keep sliding on us. Push all that water right out there. Squeegee down. Make sure that line's right up. A little bit of lifting right there. We'll get some tack underneath there. Use a squeegee to pull it up. Push it right out. That will stay down, no problem now. Squeegee around, squeegee all the edges. Make sure we got all the bubbles out. Make sure there are none. Grab a towel. We'll dry this off. See what it looks like. There you go. See if we missed anything, push any fingers down. We may have. Let this dry out a little bit. I'll come back through and I'll heat seal all these edges just to make sure that they stay down and they're good. You can get some fingers that pop up a little bit. Other than that, that's it for doing a mirror and two-piece with a kit. This is a 2025 expedition that we just did. As you can see, you can't even see the seam in there. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.